Hello, it's James from the Clever Car Collection, and today I'm delighted to show you this Volvo V40. It has got a fantastically economical engine that does 83 miles to the gallon on the combined cycle. In this video, I'm going to show you all around it so you can see what to expect when you come here to the Clever Car Collection to give it a test drive. Let's take a look. So this is our V40 with the 1.6-litre D2 engine. It's in SE Lux Nav trim. Can you guess what that includes? I'm sure you've worked it out. I will show you all around it in a moment, any marks that I've seen. But before we get there, it will come with a new 12-month MOT, this car. It will come with a 3-month, 3,000 mile warranty as standard, and you can upgrade that to a 12-month one with our partners warranty-wise, if you so wish. It's got great service history, this. It will be serviced ahead of it being delivered to yourself. And it's got a great specification. DAB radio, unsurprisingly sat-nav, radio CD player, 8 speakers and a lovely leather interior. But I'm just going to go around it with a little bit closer inspection for you. Now I've spun around it. Beautiful grey paint here, and you can see it's come up absolutely beautifully. We give all of our cars a hand polish using Auto Glimpse products, and this one's come up particularly beautifully. Now, I can't really see anything that stands out around the front here. It has done 72,500 miles, this car, and it's 10 years old this year, but you wouldn't really see it, would you, from this? Walking around this side, alloy wheels, 17-inch. A couple of minor touches here, and just down the side there. Wing mirror all looking good. Little minor mark here on the paint on the door. Not unusual that on this side when it comes to parking. All looking good down this side though, apart from that. This wheel, good condition, no marks. Around the back, you have got parking sensors. There is a minor scuff here on the back quarter. And then working down this side, this wheel, all looking good. Show you inside while we're here. Beautiful leather interior. Cup holders there in the centre. And ISOFIX points on both of those sides. Now, carry on down this side. Nothing really standing out. This wheel, good condition. And then we're back around the front. Tiny little mark there on the bonnet. And it does come with 3 washer jets. I mean, if ever there was a selling point, it is that. And these headlights are Xenon headlights, so lovely and bright. Right, let's jump inside and I'll show you what it's got in there. Right, you can see we have got, thank you Chris Martin, we have got 2 keys. You just push one into the dash there, press the start button with the foot on the clutch. As you can see there, no warning lights, just me not wearing a seatbelt. 6-speed manual gearbox, climate control air conditioning here. We've got a fantastic media system, radio, including DAB. You've got radio CD player, 8 speakers, USB and iPod input, and also there is navigation. Let's show them where we are here at Gosport. Now you've got electric windows all round. You've got electric mirrors, central locking, cruise control, controls on the steering wheel, and for your stereo here also. So turn it off before I gas everybody in the showroom. But yeah, really nice interior, decent sized glove box, and it's in really good condition, this. I mean, I love the interior, it smells fantastic. And just a really nice, comfortable car to sit in. Right, let's have a look at the history.
Action.
Thank you. So in terms of service history for this car, it will be delivered to its new owner with a 12-month MOT. We will be giving it a service and you will get a 3-month, 3,000 mile warranty, which you can upgrade to a 12-month warranty if you so wish. Previous owners have really looked after this car. It's a 2015 car. It's had services in 2016, 2017, January of 2018, December of 2018, 2019, 2020 and 2021. And as I say, it will leave us with a new service. I'm James. It's James at theclevercarcollection.com if you'd like to get in touch. You can see this on our website. It is clevercarcollection.com, and we do deliver nationwide. Please get in touch if you'd like a quote for that, and we will be able to drop it to your house if you so wish. Also, please take a moment to check out our reviews on Autotrader and Google. We're very proud of the 5-star service we give all of our customers, and very much look forward to giving you exactly the same treatment when you come here to give this classy Swedish hatchback a test drive. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully see you soon. Goodbye.